Halifax. Good morning, guys. Today is Sunday. It's 6:36 in the morning. Susunduin ko yung asawa ko, guys, galing sa airport kasi may nag-work sila sa Newfoundland, which is 2 hours away from the Toronto airport. Newfoundland. It's another province of Canada. Pero iba yung time nila doon. Sunduin ko siya, guys. So, umalis sila nung Tuesday. Supposed to be 1 month siya doon. Pero, may problema doon sa ano nila, sa job site. Kaya uwi muna sila. Hopefully, babalik sila. Okay, see ya. Ang ganda ng sun, guys, oh.
Pangalawang beses ko na tong drive pa Toronto, guys. Palakasan na lang talaga to ng loob. Masaya naman mag-drive sa highway kasi nakaka-challenge. Ingat-ingat lang din kasi may mga driver din bigla-biglang na lang nag-overtake sa'yo. Or ako ba yung bigla na lang nag-overtake? Ingat na lang sila sa akin. Ay!
Now, guys, we're merging in 401 road. So, we are in 402. We are merging in 401.
Dito lang talaga sa Canada lumabas ang mga talent ko, guys. Kailangan Kailangan nating lumabas sa comfort zone natin para magawa yung mga bagay na makakatulong sa atin. Huwag tayo pa-apekto sa sabihin ng iba. Tayo lang naman makakatulong sa sarili natin.
So, here's Brent, guys. He's home. And we're going back home now. So, it's a 2 hours drive.
Dad?
How's Newfoundland?
Dad?
Alright, glad to be back. It's fucking cold in here.
Do you know the road?
Huh?
Do you know the road?
What road?
Going out?
I don't know. Where you go? What?
It's a damn.
Ang maganda dito sa Canada, guys, pag bumabiyahe kayo ng malayo, may mga place na makapag-stop over kayo kung gusto nyong umihi at kung gutom kayo. So, nag-stop muna kami para makapag-breakfast. Tim Hortons lang ang open, kaya no choice. Masarap naman yung bagel. Yeah, kasi maaga pa, guys, mga 10 pa. So, walang open muna. So, may Starbucks pala, pero wala naman akong gusto dyan sa Starbucks, kaya Tim Hortons na lang tayo. Hindi pala namin kasama si PJ ngayon kasi Sunday gusto niya mag-church kaya naiwan siya. Sinundo lang siya ng kaibigan ko sa bahay. Okay lang din na hindi siya sumama kasi nagsundo lang naman ako at uuwi din. Hindi rin kami maggagala. Ayaw ko gumastos eh.
That's your breakfast?
This is my mentally ill wife. I need to make film all the time.
Look what my husband got for me.
Wow.
So,
You used to have those.
no, I don't have. Oh, look at that.
Mom, where's your shoes?
So fancy.
Where are your shoes? Where's your shoes? Where's your shoes?
Oh, this is so warm. I like this
You
one.
can use it in winter.
Thank you.
You can use it in winter.
And I also have
Hey, you can use it in winter.
what else in here?
Is your thing out?
Slipper! Woo! Oh my god, look at this. This one is from the sale. So nice. Sealskin. Oh my god.
Mom
So
doesn't even know what
fancy.
you're saying.
What else here? And I have a t-shirt. Wanna say dildo. Oh my god. Thank you from Newfoundland, whatever. Newfoundland.
Pinira na lang sana to. Salamat! Yun. Ang ganda nito guys, oh. Bet ko to kasi giniginaw ako palagi pag winter. So, ang ganda nito para sa kamay. Siguro din ako. Giginawin nito. Ayan, tuloy na tayo sa pag-drive guys para umuwi. At yung asawa ko, sabik na guys. Naghikap-hikap na. Excited na siya. Motor jack. At pila naka-days. Wala nakita. Anyways, salamat sa pag-watch guys. And please like and share. Bye! Mwah!